Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will try to learn about subtraction command in Allen-Bradley PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's start. I will open my RSLogix 500 and let's find out subtraction command. This is subtraction command and click it on this one. But before this subtraction command, we will choose timer or counter, because of where we like to give the value to subtract. We need counter. I will choose counter, CTD counter, and this will I will delete, and here I will take one input, and here in this row we will take timer, and here this one I will take one bit. Go to the user and I will take open contact I colon 0/0. I think so this is not okay our command, so you can go to the inputs and pick from here and drop it here. This way you will be never make mistake for your input selection. So that's counter. I will take C5 colon 0 and give the value to the 10, for example. And here this timer we no need. We need this one subtraction command. Compare and this one. This is subtraction command. And subtraction command I will choose that C5 colon 0 and here source B I will choose N7 colon 0, and how much I like to subtract there we will put after. For example 10 I will put, but now it's not possible. When we make it download, after we can write it here value. So this program I will download to the PLC. What's the error? He says some error. How can check? Go to the compile. Is operand not entered? Operand not enter. He says how much here you like to put, which data register you like to be put value, how much like to subtract. That N7 colon 1 I will take into data register, and now again download to the PLC. Wait for a second while downloading the program to PLC. Click it again, yes, and now your program is online. See, what's this program? When we giving the signal to I1 I colon 1.0, so our counter will be increase the value, and what we will do, this counter we will subtract. Source A means we take this counter, and source B is our input. How much we like to subtract from this counter? This value maybe can be from HMI or internally also you can put. For example, which values came at the counter, that's value from 2 I like to subtract, means minus, and after I will take the answer in N7 colon 1. Basically this subtraction command is look like minus. For example, which value you put it at source A. After it will be minus from N7 colon 2 means source B. After give answer in 7.1, 7 colon 1. So I will give the signal to the I1 colon 0, C1, 2, 2 minus 2, how much? 0. When 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 2, 2, 5 minus 2, 3, 6 minus 2, 4, 7 minus 2, 8 minus 2, 6, 9 minus 2, 7, 10 minus 2, 8. Means any value which you put it at this data register and 7 colon 0. For example, upside is you put count 10. This value will be increased continuously when you're giving the signal. It will be go increase continue. This can be a, for example, don't think about this CTU. This is your analog value coming from the field. After this, you like to be make it accurate value. When analog value coming, this is raw value coming. And when you like to make it correct value, for example 0 to 10 volt or 4 to 20 milliamps, when you make sure this value is correct, 2 volt, 3 volt, 4 volts, you have to be must be subtract from this raw value. After you can get answer that N7 colon 1, and after you use this data register in your next program. So for example, I will write it here, for example 10, and I like to minus from this ACC value, counter value. When I give C 18, 19, 20, 20 minus 10, how much? Answer 10. 21 minus 10, how much? 11. 22 minus 10, 12. Same when you giving the value continuously to the counter, it will be make subtraction and give answer to you the next data register. And next data register N7 colon 1 you can use in the next program. For example, I will explain you more. Go to offline and here we take one compare command. For example, let's say greater or equal than command we will take, and we choose this data register N7 colon 1 data register when equal with N7 colon 3 data register. After I need one output on bit, and after I need an output out colon 2 slash 0. For example, this first bit I need to be make it on and off, and again download to the PLC. Make it yes. Wait for a second. And see, your output is on because we used that command greater than or equal, means source A when greater or equal with N7 colon 3. After my output needs to be on. Here is N7 colon 1, we use this subtraction value, and here we will make some value which we like to put any value. For example 10 value we will put. When our value exceed from 10, after our output should be energized. And this value, when I giving the value at I1 colon 0, see when increasing, but your output will be never on. When it's increases to the 10, after your R equal or increase from 10, your output will be energized. So this way you can use in the program, anywhere in the program you can use these commands, compare commands, that subtraction command, or any other greater or equal than or less than, which you want to be use this value. You also can write it here. For example, 15 I will choose when it's increased from 50, but it's here is 25. You have to be must fix here 35, for example. When 35, after your output will be on. I will give more signals. See, as it's 35, your output will be energized, and make it. And when you like to make this counter reset, this already in previous lecture already I told how to reset this counter. Make one any bit, and after use the reset button. This one, not this one, sorry, bit input output. That user and that bit, the timer counter, sorry, this reset you have to be used after your counter will be reset. And also you can, if you are making program that time, you can choose it here from, put it directly 0, no problem, can be use this reset. But properly when you using in the program, you have to be professionally put it here any bit external or internal after you make that reset, and after your counter will be reset. So I hope guys you will understand about this command, subtraction command, how we can use in the Allen-Bradley PLC. If not understand anything, please send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.